Hello friends, I am once again here with you with one more presentation on a hot topic which is in demand by our valuers community. Frequently asked questions during the examination. Friends, the frequently asked questions in the valuation examinations, this is a series of 100 videos containing 10 questions each for the next 100 days to make you conversant on each and every topic of the syllabus. This series is provided free of cost for some days for your benefits and will be converted to paid category after some days. So till it is free of cost, take the maximum benefit out of it. So friends, on behalf of CEV group, I welcome you all for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our official YouTube channel Registered Valuers Club for getting all new professional updates. So friends, let's start today's topic. Today's topic of presentation is frequently asked questions during the valuation and other examination on highest and best use in property valuation. Highest and best use in property valuation, very important topic, and you will certainly get one or two questions related to this topic. Understanding the concept and MCQs. Today's topic is understanding the concept and MCQs on highest and best use in property valuation. MCQ number 1. What is the primary consideration in determining the highest and best use of the property? The options are: number 1, owner's personal preference; number 2, legal permissibility; physical possibility; financial feasibility; and maximum productivity. Option C, current market trends only. Option D, historical significance of the property. And the correct answer is B. Highest and best use is determined by the 4 factors: legal, physical, financial feasibility, and maximum productivity. You must keep this point in mind. What is meant by highest and best use? Question number 2. Which of the following is not a criteria for determining the highest and best use of a property? See here, not is added in the question. Not. कभी कभी आप जल्दबाजी में not पढ़ना भूल जाते हैं और वहां पर आप आंसर उसके अपोजिट दे देते हैं. तो जब कभी भी आपको अपीयर होना है एग्जाम में, जब भी आप एग्जाम में कोई भी क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करना चाहेंगे तो क्वेश्चन को पूरा पढ़िए. यहां पर मैंने हाईलाइट किया है नॉट को कैपिटल वर्ड से. द मेन रीजन इज दैट यू शुड कंसंट्रेट ऑन दिस हिडन फैक्ट इन द क्वेश्चन. वो चाहता है कि आप गलती करें, लेकिन अगर आप क्वेश्चन को ठीक से पढ़ेंगे, अगर यहां पर नॉट नहीं लगा होता तो आंसर कुछ और होता, अगर नॉट लगा है तो आंसर कुछ और होगा. Which of the following is not a criteria for determining the highest and best use of a property? And the available options are: A, financial feasibility; B, social desirability; C, legal permissibility; D, physical possibility. Which of the following is not a criteria? Not a criteria. The correct answer is B, social desirability. Social desirability is not a direct criteria. The 4 key factors are legal, physical, financial, and productivity. You must keep this in mind. Social is not a direct criteria. The 4 factors are legal, physical, financial, and productivity. Question number 3. In property valuation, when is the highest and best use analysis conducted? Options available are A, only when property is being sold. B, during every real estate transaction. C, whenever a property is used is questioned or during valuation process. D, only when property owner requests it. In property valuation, when is the highest and best use analysis conducted? Correct answer is C. Whenever a property's use is questioned or during valuation process. Highest and best use analysis is done when there is uncertainty or during appraisals to determine the best use. Why is financial feasibility important in determining the highest and best use? A, the available options are A, it ensures that selected use generates the highest possible return on investment. B, it generates that property remains unsold. It guarantees that the property remains unsold. It considers only the owner's financial situation. It focuses solely on cost reduction. And the correct answer is A. It ensures that the selected use generates the highest possible return on investment. Highest possible return on investment. Answer is A. Financial feasibility ensures the use generates sufficient income to justify investment. It ensures the use generates sufficient income to justify investment. Which of the following best describes maximum productivity in highest and best use analysis? The options available are A, the use that generates the highest possible rent. B, the most socially beneficial use. C, the use that yields the highest financial return after considering all cost. The use preferred by local authorities. Which of the following best describes maximum productivity in highest and best use analysis? And the correct answer is C, the use that yields the highest financial return after considering all costs. Maximum productivity means the use that provides the highest net financial return. What role do zoning law play in determining the highest and best use? Very important question. The possible options are they dictate how the property can legally be used. They suggest but do not enforce property usage restrictions. They only apply to commercial properties. They are irrelevant in property valuation. I repeat the question. What role do zoning law play in determining the highest and best use? And the correct answer is A. They dictate how the property can legally be used. अगर वो commercial property है, अगर वो और आप रेसिडेंशियल एरिया में बना रहे हैं तो हाईएस्ट एंड बेस्ट यूज नहीं कहलाएगा, या अगर एग्रीकल्चर एरिया में आप इंडस्ट्रियल प्रॉपर्टी बना रहे हैं तो हाईएस्ट एंड बेस्ट यूज नहीं कहलाएगा. They dictate how the property can legally be used. Answer is A. Zoning laws regulate permissible property use and must be considered. Which of the following situation might require a reassessment of a property highest and best use? I repeat the question. Which of the following situation might require a reassessment of a property's highest and best use? Options available are change in zoning laws, development of new infrastructure nearby, market demand shift for different property types, all the above. And the correct answer is all the above. Which of the following situations might require reassessment of a property highest and best use? अगर ये तीनों होगा तो ही आपको प्रॉपर्टी का रीअसेसमेंट करना पड़ेगा. करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. all these factors impact property value and require reassessment. अगर जोनिंग लॉ चेंज होगा तब भी आपको रीअसेसमेंट करना पड़ेगा. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ न्यू इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नियर बाय को न्यू इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बन रहा है तो भी आपको रीअसेसमेंट करना पड़ेगा. मार्केट डिमांड शिफ्ट फॉर डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टी टाइप्स. अगर रेसिडेंशियल एरिया में है और वहां धीरे धीरे कमर्शियल प्रॉपर्टी डेवलप हो रहा है और चेंज ऑफ लैंड यूज हो गया है तब भी आपको रीअसेसमेंट करना पड़ेगा. इसलिए ऑल द अबव इज द करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. If a vacant land parcel is currently used as a parking lot, but could legally and profitably be developed into a high-rise apartment building, what is its highest and best use? The available options are parking lot, high-rise apartment building, agricultural land, vacant land. The correct answer is B, high-rise apartment building. Since the high-rise apartment building is more profitable, it is the highest and best use. Question number 9. What happens if a property current use does not align with the highest and best use? Very important question. And the available options are: the owner is focused on change the use. Option B, the property may be undervalued or underutilized. Option C, the highest and best use becomes invalid. And D, the government takes control of the property. I repeat the question. What happens if a property's current use does not align with its highest and best use? Correct answer is B. The property may be undervalued or underutilized. Misalignment with highest and best use can lead to undervaluation or underutilization. In case of a commercial property, which of the following factor is most likely influence a change in its highest and best use? Options available are: A, nearby property owner's opinion, new economic policies or trends in the market, the age of the current building, the number of employees working in the area. I repeat the question. In the case of a commercial property, which of the following factor is most likely to influence a change in its highest and best use? And the correct answer is B. New economic policies or trends in the market will influence a change in its highest and best use. Nearby property owner का क्या opinion है? It doesn't matter. The age of the current building क्या है? It doesn't matter. The name of the employees working in the area, it doesn't matter. They have no significance on it. So the new economic policies or trends in the market will influence a change in its highest and best use. Correct answer is B. Market trends and economic policies significantly influence highest and best use. You should keep this in mind. So friends, this is all for today's test series. On behalf of CEV Group, I thank you for all of you who are watching this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe the Registered Valuers Club, our official YouTube channel. And these videos are also available on our official website, www.cevnews.in. If you have any query, question, or doubt, you can always contact me on this number 9041263607. Thank you very much for watching this video.